Ever wake up after a full night of sleep and still feel like you've been hit by a truck? You check the clock, see you got your 8 hours, but your brain feels foggy, your body heavy, and your energy non existent. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Here's the truth: being tired isn't always about sleep. Let's break down the surprising reasons why you always feel drained, even after rest, and how to fix it. Mental fatigue is just as draining as physical fatigue. Most people think of tiredness as a physical thing, but your brain can be overworked too. Constant decision making, social interaction, emotional stress, they all burn energy. That mental load you're carrying, it's exhausting. Start practicing mental decluttering. Write things down, say no more often. Build in quiet time without screens. Even 10 minutes of doing nothing can recharge you more than another cup of coffee. You're sleeping but not recovering. Sure, you might be getting 8 hours, but what kind of sleep is it? If you're waking up multiple times, having poor REM cycles, or going to bed stressed, your body doesn't actually get the rest it needs. Create a proper wind-down routine. No screens an hour before bed. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Your body craves rhythm. Emotional exhaustion is real. Suppressing emotions, dealing with toxic people, or pretending to be fine all the time, that's energy draining. Emotional labor is one of the most overlooked sources of fatigue. Feel your feelings. Journal, talk to someone you trust, or just admit when you're not okay. You don't need to carry it all in silence. You're not moving enough. It sounds backwards, but being sedentary actually makes you feel more tired. Your body is meant to move, and when it doesn't, your energy tanks. You don't need to run marathons. Even a brisk 10-minute walk can increase circulation, boost endorphins, and wake you up better than a nap. You're dehydrated. One of the most common and sneaky causes of fatigue? Not drinking enough water. Even slight dehydration reduces blood flow and oxygen to your brain. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Start your morning with water before coffee. Carry a bottle with you. Your brain will thank you. You have unfinished mental loops. Got a to-do list in your head that never ends? That's a bunch of open tabs your brain is trying to keep track of. The result? Mental fatigue. Externalize your thoughts. Write your to-do list somewhere physical. Prioritize. Let go of what can't be done today. You're constantly stimulated. The scroll, the pings, the noise. Our nervous systems were not built for constant stimulation. Even when you're sitting still, your brain is in overdrive. Schedule boredom. No phone, no music, no screen. Just be. It'll feel uncomfortable at first, but it's a reset your brain desperately needs. You're out of alignment. Doing things that don't fulfill you, being around people who drain you, or living in a way that doesn't match your values can cause soul-deep fatigue. Reflect. Where are you out of alignment? What small shift can you make today to feel more like you again? Tiredness is more than sleep. It's physical, mental, emotional, and even spiritual. If you feel exhausted all the time, your body might be trying to tell you something. Start small. Pick one of these areas and work on it this week. Because real rest isn't just about closing your eyes, it's about healing your whole system. Which one resonated most with you? Comment below. I read every one. And if you're ready to stop feeling tired all the time, hit that subscribe button and join the community of people choosing to live more intentionally, energetically, and fully. Remember, rest is not a luxury. It's how you rise.